Hey guys, Terry here with the Forest Farm Project. Got a little tip for you. We're replumbing our kitchen sink area, and this is a vent pipe right down here. It's a 2-inch vent. Well, it's the old black pipe, and we want to replace that in the walls where we've got that wall tore apart. We're replacing the cabinets and everything. So we can't get this 2-inch pipe out. It's fastened in the wall. We don't want to tear all the sheetrock out. We've already got some new cabinets in there. So what we've decided to do is you can go up to or down to 1.5 inches for a vent. And with the kitchen sink, there's nothing within 50 foot of this kitchen sink from that main line that requires venting. That's the only thing on it. So we're going to drop it down to 1.5 inches, which is perfectly legal. Since we can't get that out of the wall, and since we don't want to tear the sheetrock out, we're going to take this 1.5 inch pipe. I've already cleaned it, taped it up on the end where we're going to be connecting it down there. We've got the wall open down below. This will go right down there to where our connection is going to be, and boom, we don't have to tear it apart. Now this boot right here is going to have to come off, and we'll cut this black pipe off, which is the old pipe, later on, and we'll replace this boot, and we'll cut this black pipe down near the roof level, and then we will glue that joint between the two pipes. There will be no way for anything to get down there. It's going to have a new boot over the 1.5 inch pipe instead of the 2-inch pipe. Everything's going to be legal and good. And this was a lifesaver, so it's a really, I think, a great way to be able to run a vent pipe when you're replacing it, if you can step down to 1.5 inches. I wouldn't do it probably on toilets and bathtubs and stuff like that, or a bunch of stuff in one area, but with a sink down here by itself, this one pipe, good to go. Hope you like what you see. Check back often. We got a lot more tips coming.